Welcome! Here we are aiming to make your skincare a beautiful act of self-love and feeling a little bit more in love with your skin. I want to give you some tips about cleaning your skin for the spring. Spring is springing and it's getting warmer, at least over here. Flowers are beautifully blooming and it's a great time to clean out a lot of things from our life, including our skin. Clean the home, declutter, reorganize, create space for the new. So our skin has been under more artificial light than it has for a long time with the winter. We have been stuck inside with the heaters running or in a cold, dry air outside. It is time for some skin spring cleaning and clearing. So I want to give you these 4 tips for spring cleaning your skin. The first one, throw away products that out of date, expired, you don't use. Have you ever looked on the expiry date of your skincare? Do you have products you bought long ago, never used, or used some and kept for later? So many of these products, many times I see products in my cabinet or drawers that are simply, I don't use anymore. I tried, I don't like them, I don't use, but I kept them there. Now it's time to make this big decluttering, clean off your shelves from products that are not getting used or just taking space. And even worse, they can damage your skin when they are expired. And this is like a real damage for your skin. I just did it recently. I throw away so much stuff. If it was stuff I don't like and it's new and it's not expired, I donate it. But this feels so good and make more space. The second tip, it's the same. It's kind of the same. Release what you don't use. As an esthetician and skincare business owner, it's become my natural way of life to try out new formulation and create new formulations. This means I have to, focusing on to judge and focus which products to keep and which product to not keep. Look into your beauty bag or drawer or whatever and really consider, am I using it or is it just taking space? If the answer is no, but what if, it's time to say goodbye. You will feel so much better. Tip number 3. Now that it's spring, what is actually best for my skin? Well, it's important to honor the changing of the season. And again, as an esthetician, I can't think of anything better than to change up my skincare routine in the new season. I tend to reach for, during the winter, I tend to reach more heavier, more moisturizing products. But in the winter and autumn. But if you aren't going to, if you feel that now when the weather is changing, these products are too heavy for you, and they make you break out or it's just too much for you, it's now time to change and to consider more light products, more gel-based moisturizer, less oils and more hydrating products. I don't have it here, but I love the essence. I love essence. They are so hydrating and so beautiful. And the water flower essence toner from Pure is just that. It's like a sprinkle of hydration and super light and really nice. I also love the lifting serum, which has a gel kind of texture. I use it especially, I like to use it in the morning, but also in the evening. And it gives this beautiful healthy glow and hydration without oils or greasy. And if you are confused and don't know what to use, please, I'm always happy to help and support. So I invite you to come into the salon, get your spring cleaning treatment, and get your best advice for your skincare routine.